Twitch. Look at that. I can see green on both. How are we looking now? How are we looking now?
You are under a misconception that you are our most valuable asset. You.
I think I'm getting here with an ad, huh? I think I'm getting here with an ad, huh? Are we back to fine now, or what? Are we back to fine now, or what? Echo's still around. Echo should be good now. Okay, that looks alright. Although it's choppy, but all right. It's good now. Okay, cool. So we will continue with this. Haven't done this in a while. I haven't looked at it in a while. Who have you got in the chat? It's 3 people. Project Whack-A-Mole. Okay. Doom, doom. Okay. Can we make this? All right, let's see. So what we got is we got a start button, got this thing. 1, 2, 3. So we got the moles, right? I just need to hit it. Can only click it right now. All right. So first thing first. Let's just bring it to a different window here. Okay. So how does the styling work right now, right? So right now, the pop-out function resets to 0, sets the score to 0, and then if game interval, which is what? It's just a thing. If game interval is true, then do nothing, return. Is the ID, okay? And otherwise, game interval is set interval. Yeah, this can go away. For I is 0, I is less than the monster length. Iterate for each item. And if more item contains that, console, we don't need that. If it contains it, if it does not contain it, then add it. And then also add a animation duration of that. If it does contain, then remove. Do that, and then do it for 10 seconds. And once that is done, set a timeout function, which is going to stop the game interval after. Well, it's going to do every second, and then after 10 seconds, we're going to stop the game, stop the pop-out function, and also remove the hammer. Right, that's what that is doing. As you can see. So what I need to do is I don't want it to happen all at once. So if we bring this side by side here. Different sounds. Alright, let's add a feature here. Make the moles pop out one at a time. So instead of iterating through that, I think what we can do so I need to select which mole to apply it to. Okay. So the moles thing, query selector all mole image, right? So the ith item in the moles node. In the moles node. But how do you actually go about doing that? And it also has to be random, right? So I do let mole equals moles. Let mole equals moles. Let's say the second position, and then if I did What if I just that? If I just went if just mole does not contain that class, then mole add that in. Mole styled animation is my random. Else otherwise remove it. And assign that kind of duration. Alright, what does that do? 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is working. So we now have a random mole and it's assigning a random time, right? Which is great. Okay, cool. That's fine. So now I just needed to also. Okay, so this one is fine, right? This one we were able to do that. Now, how do we make it select a random item each time? Okay, so this is to be random. We can just go math to random, right? Math dot. Okay, I forget how you select a random thing. Okay. So math dot random. It's gonna give us a random number like that. Math dot round the math dot random. That's gonna give us 0. Okay. But I need it to be okay. Times there's 6 items. 7. 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 2, 7. Okay, 7's not good. 6. Hang on, I put 6 in there, man. Okay. Okay, so that works. So we just copy that in. Okay, so in here, I can go like this, right? And if we then start a game, 3, 2, 1. Now it should pop out a random mole. Can I read property class list of undefined? What did I break? 41. Okay, so it's not even running that right now. Missing after argument on 47. What missing? Guess we could just toggle on and off. Mole.style animation. Yeah, what's that? Alright. Let's see what that's doing. It's still missing? What do you mean? What's missing? 47. Oh, he's missing the comma? Okay, cool. Alright. So start. We've got the hammer widget. 3, 2, 1. Now should be random moles. Yeah, that's fine. The game ends too early though. Every second. Alright, let's double that speed. 20,000. Let's go. Alright, let's try again. Start. See how fast that one came out? Alright. Okay, so this one's fine. We can get rid of all that. If mo is that animation duration, 2 might be might be too slow. Let's try 1 second. Yeah, let's go alright. Okay, what about 500 milliseconds? This actually looks pretty cool. Oh, we have a random mole popping up, man. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. That works. So at the end of the game though, alright, we can tick this one off. So make moles appear one at a time. Okay, one's done. Add a game with a message after 10 seconds. I should remove the hammer. Yeah, the hammer's removed. Game over. Game over. Where does that go? Okay, I think we need to add a new function for that. So next round. Oh, game over. So function. Let's just call it next round. And what does this need to check? It needs to check. When do we reset the score? So right now, okay. So if I cheat and just we gotta pop out this hole at some point. Come on. Oh, too fast. Alright, we got one. Okay. So when I click that, it doesn't actually reset, does it? Okay, so when the game starts, it resets. Alright. That means we're actually okay. Set timeout, do that, and then wait, do we run anything else? So function pop out. It pops up for all this time. Toggle hammer. Okay, so it must be in the different function. So it goes in the start. This can go away. Start. Okay, there you go. Start game. Runs the countdown. Countdown then does a 3, 2, 1. Clear interval time. Starting time. What does countdown do? Countdown. Okay, so the event listener is on the start button. On click, it does the start game, which is this one. Start game will then show the hammer picture, and then it runs the countdown function. The countdown function then does this. So if timer is greater than 0, timer is set here equals to starting time, which is 3. Yeah, the times equals that. Timer is that. Timer minus minus, and then just assign that to the timer every time, right? So it does that every second, and once it's done, it would then do a timeout. It's gonna clear the times, right? Timer equals starting time, countdown in the go. Oh, here we go, and then it runs the pop out function. Okay, so you're just gonna go into pop out. Pop out then does the 3, 2, 1, and then it finishes. Okay, cool. That's when it finishes. So what we can do is when it finishes, let's see. We can then say pop out finish right here. Okay. Congrats. Well played. Let's. Congrats. Get ready for next round. Get ready for the next round. Okay, so that should now do it. 3, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Oh man, I clicked it. Come on, come on. Oh, so fast. Okay, here you go. We got 2. Boom. Well played. Get ready for next round. All right, awesome. And then start. 3, 2, 1. It's gonna go in a loop again. Okay, I don't need it to reset the clock on the second run though. Oh, how are we gonna implement that? Okay, the problem is, so this is fine, but on next round, the score gets reset, and I don't want it to reset. The reason it gets reset is because we go into start game. It's gonna go to countdown. Countdown does. Okay, countdown doesn't do anything. It goes to pop out. Yeah, pop out says okay. If we remove Okay, maybe that is fine. Score is 0. Okay, maybe we can reset that. We're not gonna reset the score though, right? And the score, we start off at 0. Oh, go on. Dude, I can't do it. It's too fast. Yeah, I think it's too fast. Let's go back to 1,000. Okay, 1. Who's next? Come on, who's next? Oh, too fast, too fast. Come on. Oh, I hit it, but I didn't like it. I hit that too, man. All right, 1. So we okay, the counter doesn't go down, which is fine. No, it went down. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. We'll wait for the game to finish, and I want to check if the score actually gets reset or not. Because then we could have a tally of the score somewhere. So the score right now should be 5, right? Because we or maybe not. Score is 4. Score is still 4. Okay. Then when you replay here, score now becomes, score is still 4 though. Undefined. What's undefined in 41? So it has to be mole. I don't know why it's undefined. Why is it undefined? We defined it. Oh, I'm loving this. Hey, what's up, Suzuki? What's going on, man? You're loving these errors? I'm not. I'm like, why is it undefined? Don't make no sense. Okay, it's gone now. It's gonna come back when I do this. So watch. What's up, Marvel? It's gone. Okay, that fixed it. Dude, I'm too slow for this. Come on. I'm just gonna. Oh, I couldn't even cheat. Okay, now. Okay, there you go. Now it gives me undefined. Yeah, what is the data type of mole? Data type of mole. Type of. I don't think I can do mole because, yeah, it's in here. Mole should be. I have no idea what it is, bro. It's a good question. That is a great question. Line 41. Right. Oh, I landed for 64 points. Look at that. Console.log type of mole. No need to check it. Oh, it tells me what it is. It's I don't know. It's the ith item of mole. You rather go should have an idea. Okay. All right. What is it? Mole is. I know what moles is. Mole is just a node list of a bunch of different stuff, right? That's what a mole. So this is what a moles is, and mole is one of these. So it's an image dot mole image. So what is that? What's there's 7 types of data types, right? That's not a number. What is it? Um, that's a great question, man. I have no idea. Okay, let's just quickly refresh my mind. What kind of? It's one of these. Let me use the code again. All right, so we have class list. Maybe it's because mo is not a thing. Cause like here's the thing, right? Class is mo image. Maybe because mo is not a thing. Because what I was doing before, the reason I stopped. So this code here, this was causing everything to come up at the same time. So now I'm trying to undo this and have it go only one at a time, which is doing, but it's throwing an error. And the way I was doing it was basically adding. What was it adding? Add mode animation, mode animation. Well, technically it should work, but this was the same thing here, right? Class list. Have I got moles somewhere else in the code? Moles. Could you peek Discord for a bit? Yeah, sure. All right. Where's the Discord? It's downloading updates. It's installing updates. Damn, it's a lot of updates. Checking for updates starting. Okay. Let's just see what the thing is gonna be. Where's Discord? Hey man, what's going on?
Oh, good man. Oh, good.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm just reading through under web dev the JavaScript channel, and I see similar code. So can you pull up on your screen? Obviously, there's going to be like 3-4 second delay, but on your screen the code that you're writing.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that was fast. How long? Wait. How far is the delay?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know.
It's around 3-4 seconds. I timed
Okay.
it. Anyway, I think, yeah, that type of mole. The thing is, you're trying to access class list, and then it says, and you're trying to get class list from undefined, meaning on line 40, let mole equals to moles math round times 6 and random all that. I was checking if that was working correctly. If like the number of what's this thing? Math random
Yeah.
times 6 rounded off is equal to something that might get like out of bounds, and
Oh.
looks like it kind of works, assuming that moles, the length of moles is exactly 6.
Yes, it should be. So if I do moles, right, it's a node list of six things. Oh, maybe. Nah. Well, I mean, it's
Oh
six,
yeah,
right?
it's
Unless it counts
yeah.
zero one. Unless it counts five. I mean, the length is
Yeah, it's
six.
6. Oh shoot, then that's the thing, because when I was trying it out, in some instances I also got a 6 as an index, and you do not want that. So yeah, just keep
Oh.
it there. Just say 5, or even better, do moles dot length minus 1,
Oh,
so that
perfect.
even
Okay.
if you change the number of moles in that moles list, you know that
Right.
it's always going to be kept.
Okay. Nice, man. See, I'm getting some pro advice here.
And this is not close to fixing our issue, but give it a shot. It's supposed to complain anytime soon, because I'm not sure if that fixed it.
Looks like it
Maybe it
did.
did, but
Looks
then it
like
would
it
be
did.
weird. Then it means how many times did it get to 6 then? Oh, but then if it's executing multiple times, like it's past that place like 20 times already, it might be the case, because I tried it out. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, and this 13 is almost halfway, so almost
Okay.
25 times or more, and I got 6, 1,
Oh, you tried this code already? Man, you're fast.
2.
Like,
Just math round in math random
uh,
times 6, just to
gotcha.
understand what's going on, because I didn't believe it was getting like an integer. I thought maybe there's like some comma something, or dot something, or some wild big number. So I wanted to try it out first before I came and shouted at you.
Okay.
And yeah, looks like something innocent happened, actually, just
Right.
area
I'm
out of
gonna
bounds.
I'm gonna log the mo, and then I guess that will tell us. Well, I don't know if that
So
helps
it's
us at all.
peaking, but the peak times are different. Some are faster than the other.
Yes. Yeah. So I've got some. Yeah, I want it to be different times, so then like
Interesting.
you can uh,
Interesting.
so it runs for 20 seconds. Where does it do that?
Anyway,
What?
I think we've solved one. But I
Yes.
have no idea how we wrote this. I don't think I would have even started, because the thought of writing game code, regardless of how simple it is, just scares me. Uh,
Okay. This has
so man,
evolved, man. This was done, and then
congratulations, man. Like, jeez.
like it's not just me,
Uh,
man. People are jumping on the chat and helping me out a ton. Like, but yeah, yeah. There's a bunch
Yeah,
of things still need to
yeah. This
do.
is this is too much. I wouldn't even have. Anyway, let me leave
Really?
voice chat and join back the stream. I want to make something to drink also.
All right.
Cheers,
Sounds
cheers, man.
good. See you in a bit. Where's my Discord? All right. So the error is fixed, which is awesome. Um, all right. What should we solve next? Let's go. Let's take a look. Add a game over message after 10 seconds. We kind of did that. We added the play next round game. Cool. Then it should remove the hammer. Well, it's now 20 seconds, I think. Yeah, that's also fine. Add a high score log in. I think I'm gonna do that last because that's just insane right now. Global leaderboard will be right here. Limit the scores. I have no idea what I meant by that. Limit the scores. I'm gonna delete that because I don't know what that means. So I'm deleting user stories now because I don't know what that means. We're just not gonna build it. Limit from being able to use the console. Limit to just mouse clicks. All right, we should be able to do that. Limit to just mouse clicks. Event listener JavaScript. Let's see. Restrict mouse events. There you go. How to restrict mouse events. You don't need any JavaScript for this. Just use CSS. For the clicky stuff, handler, false, process action. How do I do that? JavaScript limit disable. Disable button click from console. Okay, that's not it. What you mean by limit is basically I don't want people to be able to spam. Or like be able to do it from the console, because there was a guy in the chat the other day. Jason he got like ridiculous high score because he was basically, yeah, he was clicking on the thing using the console and running a loop, and it was just clicking like 134 times. So basically I needed, so they can only get a score by actually clicking on it with a mouse click and not a JavaScript click. Disable submit button not to click. Yeah, I guess I could just do that. Disable query selector maybe. Okay, disable click event from console. Something like that. Yeah, I don't know how he was that. He was cheating, man. Okay, actually, it'll be interesting if I can do it. If I go really minimize, you see that I've got a bug where he can't handle that really wide screen. So if I go inspect, classes, okay, it needs an ID, right? So if I add an ID, well, yeah, whatever. ID equals, for example, mo ABC or something, right? And then I guess we could do let I is 0, and then for function get clicks, function get clicks. Let's say I want, I don't know, 20 clicks, for example. Well, let's say num. So function get clicks number for, well, while I is less than num, right? So while that is true, go ahead. How do you click on a button? So it needs to click that, right? There you go. How does one programmatically click a button via the browser? There we go. Oh, it's just dot click. Okay. So moleabc dot click. Although I don't know if it's gonna know what moleabc is, because I will need to get Alright, I also need to get I need to do let moleabcd let moleabcd equals get document dot get element by ID. The ID is gonna be moleabc, right? We're just gonna run that thing. Do you know what? I think I do need a for loop because I want to do it a bunch of times. I've already got it. Like, okay, so I'm going to do j. Let j equals 0. J is less than num dot length. J plus plus. Yeah, we can get rid of the while loop. Something like that. Does that make sense? And then if I run get, the game has to start, right? Game has to start. Get clicks. Let's say 20 clicks. Okay. I don't even know how to break my own game. Doesn't make sense. The reason it's doing that is because I'm console logins more. Um, get clicks is notified. Yeah, that actually doesn't make sense because I'm not actually using the J number anyway, right? Um, wait, why am I missing J zeros? Why am I looping through? I'm looping through the numbers array. Oh, I've also spelled length wrong, but I don't think that's the issue here. Discord, yeah. Right. Hey man, I'm back. This was the fastest re-intervention ever.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's a tricky one. This one, trying to make sure people contact your JavaScript application. The thing, the beauty with JavaScript is it's hackable by nature.
Right.
Hence the dev tools, the console, and all that. So I do not think there's an easier way to do this.
Okay.
To an extent where there are even tools like minifiers and uglifiers and obfuscation tools that basically compile your JavaScript to something that's unreadable,
Right.
just to make sure that people cannot right click and inspect element or check source and figure out how your code work and like do some funky stuff within the browser. So for something like a game like this, it's pretty much difficult to secure this thing without having to do something server side where people do not have access to tinkering with the code.
Right.
So move this item
To the
to like
end.
minimizing amount of hacks to like the bottom of your to-do list because
Is that hard? Okay. All right.
last year, yeah, I think it was last year, for Christmas, one of our clients, I think, where do you buy your groceries? What
Supermarket.
chain of stores? Yeah,
Su-
supermarkets. There's we have Spar supermarkets and
oh yeah.
in South Africa, and they're one of our clients. One of the things they wanted was a simple game, browser game that you play and then like earn rewards or get cash or something like that.
Interesting.
I tell you, I was doing QA at the time. We tested the thing. I played the game, like tried to beat the high score and all that, and then yeah, I did good and signed it off. Mm, Like in a week, I don't think even a week. A week is too long. A couple of days, people were already hacking it and
Getting crazy money back.
product manager had to like vet whether to like did like what's this thing, disqualify people who kinda scored like a little bit too better than everyone else. And then when I took a chance also to look into how they might have done that, it's pretty easy and it's through the terminal. The
Okay.
way that was avoided was, I don't know, some dev found some tool online that basically compiled JavaScript to some shitty code, and every time you open dev tools, uh, because debugger is for debugging and it doesn't run when the dev tools is closed. When you open it, that shitty tool made your code stop by a debugger, so you wouldn't be able to run any custom commands.
Right. Okay.
And still, it was hackable at that point, even.
Okay.
So
All right. All right.
there's pretty much no easy way to secure something in the browser.
Okay.
So yeah,
Noted.
move that security item to like the bottom of the list,
Okay. Done.
and then because you're gonna suffer through trying to make sure people can't hack this. Because regardless, I'm telling you
Yeah.
now, you might find a solution. We're definitely gonna find a way to break it either way.
Okay. Cool, man. That's a real life lesson. Appreciate that.
Yeah,
Like,
which is which
okay.
which is why with stuff that contains like user data, it has to be sent to some server somewhere and not like processed in the front end.
Right.
I think that's like a minor benefit to using frameworks because they compile the JavaScript to something you can barely even read. But then people who are dedicated to like breaking stuff spend like most of their time just trying to figure out what does this character do, what does
Right.
this do, essentially hacking. Or yeah, I think hacking as a term used within IT means so much more than it is like in general life because for instance, let me see. There's this thing that we used to do as children. We'd burn steel wool. I don't know what they call the thing in some other term, but you use that thing to wash pots. Uh,
Wash
and when you
pots.
burn it, uh, let me see if I Google steel wool, if I'll get it or not. Yeah, first first result I'm getting for steel wool. So we'd burn this thing just to make that crackling sound, and it kind of seemed like fireworks. And then that thing, using something that was meant for another use to do something else that it wasn't meant to, is essentially hacking.
Right. Right.
And
Right.
people do that with browsers all the time.
Okay. Interesting. So, all right. So, no easy way to stop it that people can find around. Basically, one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think eventually, if you're gonna be sharing this code somewhere, there's bound to be a way to make it not as easy as it currently is.
Gotcha. Yeah, cool. Because I've got this thing on. Excuse me. I've got this thing on GitHub, and he hacked it, man. Like I don't know how he did it, but I was just like, come on.
It's super easy. It's
Okay.
you don't need more than a minute to start figuring out stuff.
Oh man. Okay.
It,
Okay.
JavaScript is that volatile.
All
Anyway,
right.
cheers, man.
Cool. Thanks. All right. What we got? Dorano, what's up, man? Welcome back. Marvel still here. We got Black Moon today. What's going on? What's happening? All right. So we're gonna move this back. Once the mole is here, we want to add a different animation. That was gonna be tough, man. How we gonna? Don't know how we're gonna do that. Actually, before we do the hit, I actually want to see if we can fix. Oh, how do we do that? So on click after the game started, I want this thing to go basically go like this, like but actually hitting animation as opposed to just this thing right here. Do you know what I mean? Um, let's see. So this, I think, will probably be this function because my function, when does it run? It runs after toggle hammer. There's no way to enforce on the front end alone. Okay, interesting. Start game, toggle, pop out. Yeah, this is just the eventless never mouse move, right? On event, it's just gonna follow the cursor. I swear I had code for just clicking anywhere on the screen. Oh, this one here. So on click, most CTRB in. Okay, that's that one. Document the body mouse. Okay, maybe we can also go add a wrist flick on click. Yeah, you can transform the hammer on one of the states. Rotate, transform. Okay. One of the states, right? So states has to be when the thing is clicked. So okay, so when it's clicked, okay. So document dot body dot add event listener be click function event oh man, okay, add wrist flick. Okay, I'm gonna write a function add wrist flick. We'll basically find the hammer custom cursor dot class list dot toggle rubber transform true set 72. What's going on? What are you using to learn? Great question. I'm using combination of let's go back here. combination of two tools right now, or three actually. Free Code Camp, which I just went through the Free Code Camp JS curriculum, finished that about, I want to say about 10 days ago, maybe a bit more. And learning from the chat a lot. Man, you have no idea. All the cool tips, all the like tips is from coming from the chat. From pros like Suzucha and Marble and the Dorano and there's Bert, and man, I can keep naming for the next 20 minutes. Yeah, so I'm learning a lot in the chat. People teaching me. There's also a Discord channel where we'll hop on and people are posting their code. So when I was doing the algorithms, for example, so I was doing it on my end, and then be like people posting their solutions, like 5 different solutions. So solution number 1, solution 2, da 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 da. And we also got a voice channel. People jump on. Yeah, people jump on the chat, and then like just now, 20 minutes ago, Suduchi jumped on the chat and was teaching me stuff. So yeah, combination of so online tools would be the Odin project, Free Code Camp, and then just I'm using this right now to build different projects, and then yeah, the rest of it from the chat. If you build it, he will come. If you build it, they will come. Apparently, yeah, that's a very bad. From a marketing perspective, that's terrible, but it works, man. I honestly didn't expect anyone to come, so it works. So this is like a, what's the word? This is an example to disprove the hypothesis that you need marketing. Anyway, I hope that answers the question. True set. Pre-code cam. No. Free code cam. Freecodecam.org. This one. Let me send a link here. All right, let's get some music back up. There's a Discord here if you want to join. I added some bots, man. We got a Discord bot. There's one more bot. Commands I added to different things you can do. Games drop bomb. Thank you for the answer. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. All right, but today we are building Whack a Mole. I'll send you the other ones. The other one I'm using is the Odin project. That might also be helpful. That one also cool. Okay, what are we doing? We were going to toggle something. Classless toggle wrist flick. So wrist flick. Let's just name it flick. Flicks, whatever. Typo. I like the typo. Flicks is going to dot flicks. Transform, right? You guys said transform. Transform rotate, or rotate transform? Okay, how do you do that? I've never done that so far. Rotate transform. Oh, is this rotate? Transform rotate 45 degrees. Okay, so what we at now? We're here. Rotate maybe. So it's here like 30 degrees. Is that too much? Yeah, no, maybe. Let's try. So let's just rotate DG. And we're adding dot flicks to custom cursor. Man, I have no idea if that's gonna work. Let's try out. Yeah, it's not doing it. I wanted to rotate on click. So you're gonna put rotate on a new CSS class, and then the mouse is click. You can add the class to custom class and then release. You move to class. Right. So the class was gonna be flicks, right? dot flicks. What am I adding it to? Custom cursor. What's custom cursor? Custom cursor is the hammer picture, right? But it needs to stay on click. So anywhere on the body when there's a click. Do I need this event? Custom cursor, which is going to be the image, which is the hammer pick. The hammer pick is here, right? ID hammer pick. Class list of toggle. Wait, where did it go? Flicks. Oh, class. Dot flicks. There's a trick you can fasten out the CSS debugging. Okay. Wait, did the dot flicks work there? I'm just quickly checking. I'll jump on. Nah, it didn't work. Why is it not working? Yeah, you see, it's adding and removing the flicks. So it is working, but flicks isn't rotating it. Alright, okay, let's jump on Discord. The code is working. But so, I mean, it's adding the thing, but it's not, yeah. Hey, man.
I'm dying laughing here.
It worked at the end, man. It's adding the thing, but it's not rotating it. Bro, why is it not rotating?
I love how when you get stuck, you just do something random.
That's the only way. I just throw things, see if it sticks.
Yeah, the toggle, the dot, you don't need to have it there because already you just toggling something within a list, and by that API, it knows that it's toggling a class, so it's not gonna miss. See, right now it's messing up your class because you added the dot.
Ah, okay, my bad.
Oh my god. Anyway, go back to your browser for this one.
I've also misspelled it too. It's trap form. What the hell is a trap form? Like, come on. That might be it. Oh yes, look at. No, it doesn't go back though. I needed to go back after it automatically.
It's not gonna go back because okay, the part that I wanted to show you at least works.
Okay.
So now we're not going for a click event. It's a more defined event. I think it's key down and key up or something like that. It has to have one of those mouse click. I think there's mouse something key pressed. I don't know. I'm just gonna Google it also.
Okay.
And then with those ones, yeah, it's mouse up and mouse down. Wait a minute. What does that mean?
You tell me first. First time I'm hearing about it.
Because there's key down also. And I don't know if key down is what I'm looking for. Yeah, but one of those events, one for the play button is the one that you want to use, not the on click one. Because on click essentially encapsulates both those events. Click is key up and key down and up.
Okay. So what do I want the mouse down?
Not for the mouse.
What do you mean?
For the keyboard, yeah. That's the difference. That's what's confusing me.
So we can't use this.
When the button is pressed, the animation or the animation class will be added. But when the button is released, you want the class to be released, also removed also.
Okay, so if I do mouse down here, what does that do?
I don't know. That's what.
Okay. All right, it's starting. Bro, it's not doing anything. Like, Oh, should I
Yeah,
need to go
add a
down?
console.log to the event listeners to see if they're being fired or not. Because yeah,
How do I do that? Just this?
right above. No, not there. Jesus Christ, no, definitely not there.
Above this here? Oh, shit.
Right above my function.event. I think it's gonna have to be line 71 when whatever's in line 71 now has moved to line 72.
Okay. Well, actually, it needs to be in here because this is the one with the mouse down. I'm looking at the wrong function.
Oh, that's the mouse down. Does it work? The mouse
Mm,
down thingy?
nope. Nope. Oh, it's not doing
Mouse
anything.
down. Yeah, just do console log something something. Is it key up? I don't know. I have no idea.
Why am I console logging? I don't know what I'm console logging here.
Oh, just add weird strings inside just to see if that
Oh,
event is fired. That's what we're doing. We could have been
okay.
using a debugger, but I think this is also as fast.
Okay, we got one ASDFA, so it did something one time.
So it does do a mouse down.
Did
But
something.
now, does it add our class when doing mouse down? Oh yeah, it might add our class, but then we need a mouse up because we want to control both states. We want
Right.
to add the class when mouse is down, and we want to remove the class when the mouse is up. See, it does adds it. Hide hammer. What's hide hammer?
Oh, it's doing it because I'm clicking. Why is it still working on click? What?
See, it's working.
But it's working on click.
But
Wait,
what the
is
hell
it meant
is
to work
going
on
on?
click?
I don't know what's going. I don't know what's going on.
We've removed the click. The click's gone. There's no more click. Like, why is it still working?
All right. Let me look at the code. Add
Okay.
wrist flick and
Roberto, thanks for the follow, Robert. Welcome.
toggles. Yeah. Okay. Let's be specific with the toggle. I think there's an add if not toggle,
Yeah.
so that
Okay.
you're explicit about adding it.
All right. Okay, we got an ad.
Is there an add or am I just guessing?
There is. There's add and there's a remove. Yeah, you're right.
Now a kicker is now because you're adding it manually, you can call this multiple times, and I believe it's going to keep on adding. I'm not sure if it checks for distinctions, but it might add it multiple times. So we need an inverse. Oh, it doesn't add it multiple times, does it?
Um,
Classes in the HTML.
nope. It has only one.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
But I don't
It
know why it's
means
still working
yeah,
on click though. Why is it working on click?
we need an opposite of mouse down. Oh, click. Mouse down is one of the actions that compromise that compose a click. I don't know.
Ah,
Yeah. So a click is a mouse down and up. That's how you click. You press down and you release. That's it.
right.
That's a click.
Okay.
Nope. We're not adding
Well,
within mouse down. You want to create another function. Remove a wrist flick.
okay. Function remove wrist flick.
Yeah, and then add an event listener for mouse up. I don't know if there's a mouse. I don't know if there's a mouse up.
Ooh. So another one of these, but for mouse up.
Yeah, and that's where we want to remove the flicks.
Okay.
I hope this works.
I hope so.
Yeah, there is a mouse up event. Thankfully.
Okay. We'll console the log. Yeah, let's just call it mouse up. Mouse.
And then within mouse up,
Right.
yeah, you can console the log, and then add that remove wrist flick.
Okay. Why is
What are you doing wrong is line 86 has to have a closing bracket
oh okay.
because you
Nice.
opened it in line 83.
Right. All right. That should be it then. Huh? So we got
This
mouse
should
up,
work.
remove flicks. Okay. Let's try.
This should work.
Start. Hey. So that's on click.
Yeah.
Wait, is that
There you
doing
go.
one? It worked? Oh yeah, it did. Oh man, okay, cool. Look at that.
Wait, you weren't watching the screen. I'm watching the screen. What's going on?
What you mean? Oh, I've got a second monitor, so I'll look up top. Is that what you mean?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so nice.
that's one way to make the hammer do the thing.
That just looks so funny, man.
All right, I'm
All
done.
right,
Cheers, man.
awesome. Appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, so 30 degrees is clearly too fast. I mean, 30 degrees. Did I do 30 degrees? It's too little movement. So I think we need to triple that. I think 90 degrees probably. Yeah, okay. Hey, let's do. It's going this way, man. All right, okay, 90, maybe 60 degrees. We might have to do a negative 60. 45 at least. That's too much. Yeah, okay. Do we have to do a negative? Looks like it's going backwards now instead of forwards. All right, let's try that. Yeah, look at that. How's that? What do you guys think? Where's the mole? Come on, man. Let me whack you. Oh, look at that. Oh, dude, look how sick that looks. Hey, get smacked. One more. Come on. Hey. Oh, I missed it. Come on. Oh, God. All right. Round two. Let's go. Who's ready? Who's ready? I'm ready. Oh, dude, I missed it. Missed it. Dude, it's so slow. Even then I miss. Oh, hit the dirt. Do we need to slow it down? I think I'm gonna slow it down. Oh, I hit nothing. I hit nobody. I think we might have to compress the playing area because right now, time is spent just me moving that area. I'm just gonna wait here. It's bound to peek out of here. Oh, dude, you see how fast it came out? Oh, and then he came out there. Yeah, okay. All right. This is good. It makes it more difficult. But okay, so that one's now done thanks to Studucho. Studuto. I saw how to pronounce the name. What's the moment? Okay, no, that's not it. Round based. Oh, we don't even have the animation. I mean, I didn't have a story to do that. Uh, flicker the wrist. Boom. But the name is dead simple now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, this looks so cool. Dude. Hey, I hit it. It even moved. Come on. I can't hit a single ball. All right, whatever. Okay, we got to flick the wrist. All right, what's next? Yo, bud, what's going on, man? It's been a while. It's been a while. Looks like I'm still on Discord. Let's get out of Discord. How you been, man? We're building a game. We're almost there, man. Oh, I got hit at least one. Oh, come on. I'm gonna just wait here. It's about to come down here. Yes, 3. Yes. All right, cool. So rotation, mouse down and mouse up. All right, that was cool. So wait, what do we need to act next? Once a mole is hit, we need to do a different animation. So, How do we do that? Put out, pop out, set to position. I was thinking of adding some kind of spinning animation around the head, but that might be too difficult. Or you can flash a red when it's hit. That one might be easier. So I guess we could do an event listener on the mole. So when it's actually we already have one. Yeah, we already have one, right? We got one on the. That's how it counts the score right now. Bree Monk, what's going on? I think you should make the most of it. What you have now is like challenge mode. Yeah, 100%. Like you're right. Okay, let's do this. Let's move it. That is true. What I am thinking of though is it's going to be a round based game. So as we progress up, so round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to get harder and harder. But yeah, now you're right. Okay, let's change. Let's make it. What should we do? Where is it? 2000. No, 2000 is how long it stays up. Right here. So if we did say 5, that's gonna be like 5 seconds. I think that should be slower. More like 2020 mode. Yeah. Oh wait, I thought I made it slow. Hey, there you go. That's easy, man. Guys, like, don't even try it. It's like scared to pop out. There we go. Yeah. So what I need to do now is once it's hit, it needs to go fizzle away. Like that's what it needs to do. Like you know what I mean? Like now, like it's getting hit, it's not even bothered. It's like yeah, whatever. It's like you just I don't know. It's like I'm massaging it or something. It's just staying there. Like don't care. Oh man, that's funny. All right, cool. We'll leave it as slow, but we need to add some kind of. Oh, you know what that means? That also means that once it's hit, deafen animation and the score counter needs to stop. Because right now, once you can hit the same mole in this one loop when it goes up and down, you can hit it multiple times, and we can't have that. You see what I mean? I hit it 12 times. How crazy is that? No, it's not. That's the count from earlier. Yeah, 3 times. Need to stop that too. Okay. I can go away. Wait, what are we doing next? All right, we're gonna make it flash red. What is it? It's a mole image. It also needs to only add it to that particular mole. Okay. So if we just make a class dot got hit or something, and hey, what's up, Bo? Started looking forward for his first day. Yes, 100%, man, 100%. Yeah, you guys push me though. I've still got the thing I need to do, which you wanted to add in local storage. Yeah, we're gonna get to that. I don't know, today or tomorrow sometime. But how did you solve the mouse disappearing below the holes with green screen above? Uh, yeah, it's still the same. I didn't change it. So the way we solve that is yeah, background color. So if I do that, you see, I've got this thing, and then I've also got this background picture which I just took a screenshot. The moles are basically hiding underneath, and the way and then the problem this was causing was you could still hit it underneath right here and it would still count. And the way we solved that was someone, I think it was Jason, gave me a hint. He says they use different Z indexes. Yeah, that's what's up. So now like this one, you can only solve it when it comes up. Hopefully it'll come up here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you can't see it because of the score. But yeah, that was the implementation. This one went to minimize code, wrap it around an immediately invoked function. Wrap it around an immediately invoked function. Pretty neat. I like it. Game is smooth. Thank you, man. Thank you. It's called closes. Okay. All right. I'm gonna add a hint to that. We're gonna deal with that one last because apparently it's very hard. Closes. Wrap it around. Wrap it around and immediately invoked function. add the top of your file. Oh, you want to wrap the entire code into that? Like before the let's? Yeah, it would have to be right. And then at the bottom, dun 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 dun. So the whole thing becomes one big function, looks like. One big anonymous function. I guess one big closer. Interesting. Let's get our colors back. Let's get rid of that. All right. Here's our game. We have a wrist action. Look at this small man. All right. Okay. Cool. Let's just see if we can do this. Flash red when hit. Okay. Got it. Got hit. I don't know. Just background color. Just want to see if this works. Can you still modify variables or core functions? Let's try. Modify variables, core functions. One of the functions was start game, right? What was the start game one? Yeah, just this one. Okay. It's not defined. Oh, that's clever. Because it's within a thing, it's not accessible anymore. Interesting. Very interesting. Does JavaScript have private public functions variables? Yes. I think it's called, I don't know what it's called. It's called, man, I read it like 20 days ago. It's called, what's it called when you can't access something outside of the functions? Scope. It's outside of the scope. So it's either in the scope or outside of the scope. Why not simply code? Okay, let me know if that makes sense. The reason we added that is because we wanted to limit people from being able to use the console to mouse click. So Jason in the chat was in the game. He got 137 because he used the console to replicate a button click. So by adding that, looks like because it's now within a function, it's outside of the scope for the console to be able to grab it. At least that's how I understand it. Maybe completely wrong. Or maybe your thing also works. Why not simply? Yeah, let's try that. Right. It does the same? I don't know. Okay. So that's those two? Nah, it didn't work. Or am I missing something? Simply curly braces close. Yeah, it still let me start the game. So if I run the start game function here, I can run it. You can definitely still access the motivated. If you're a bad cop, all day long, or if you're Jason, all day long. All right, let's go back to this one. That was a very neat how you can put everything within a function. All right, let me actually add a comment on what this is doing. Makes the functions variables. So yeah, that makes sense. What's going on, bad cop? How you been? Pop up rate. Okay. So we got hit. Custom cursor is not it. What have I got? I got moles. So it has to be mole, right? Which is somewhere here. Yeah, maybe just mole dot toggle. Mole dot toggle got hit. Oh, you see the problem with this is once it goes down, he has to. When it comes back up, he needs to toggle it too. So maybe we can have. And just reset on each stuff. That might work. Mole is not defined. Yeah, of course it's not defined because it's in here. All right. Let's bring this all the way out. Okay. I have no idea if that's gonna work or not. Auto toggle is not a function. Oh, yeah, of course. It's add class list. I completely missed that. Class list dot toggle. All right. Try again. Dude, we changed it. 32. Oh. Yep. Maybe because our instant nature is function being invoked, so you can't. Hey, okay, it did add a red thing, but you see how it's stopped then. It won't come out. Okay, we've got a problem here. Once it gets hit, what happened? Once it gets hit, okay, it turns out they behave differently. Within curly braces, functions inside this are accessible outside, but functions inside are not. But the constant list should behave the same. Okay, so if I do, so we just need another one of these. Just that. It doesn't like it. Why does it not like it? What am I missing? Man, I got no idea what you guys are talking about. All right, I'm gonna stick to that. I'm gonna try and solve the other problem here first. Why is it red? I haven't hit you yet. Okay, we have a bug. Only one of them shows up now. What? Okay. So what we did clearly broke something. So we don't want to toggle that here. Right. See how it's already red? Why is it already red? It only needs to do red on hit. And this should only... Oh, I know what the problem is. It shouldn't go in here. It should go... It should go... Wait, where's my score plus plus thing? Score. Function pop out. Boom, boom. Oh, here. On click is what it needs to do. Score plus plus. And then do that. Alright, let's see. Put it in the wrong place. Oh, come on. Stop popping out. Dude. It's toying with me. Why is it just one? Where's the rest of them? Oh, it did go red. Okay, that's cool. So, okay. We need to add an animation to it. But why is it only one of them popping out? What did we break? I broke something. Alright, so you guys figured out what's wrong, huh? But function is special because function A, function B, this works, but const A seems plain. Curly braces define an object when using the arrow function. It defines a function because of that. Scope works different. Okay, interesting. Why did this break? What did we do wrong? Wait. Um, okay, no, that's fine. Various ways. Okay, here's a problem. Mole is not defined on 32. That's the problem. No, I think that's just because I command Z too many times. On 43, 43, 32, 32. Oh, we don't want that there anyway. Mouse up, mouse down. Mo is defined on 43. 43. Mo is not defined. Yo, where's my let mo equals gone? Okay, let's command Z again. Okay, there we go. Now that is back. Let's get rid of that. We can get rid of that. Put this back in here. All right, I see. Okay, it's going red. It's not doing red because number 20 apparently is not defined. 20. Yeah, Mo is not defined. That's weird, man. So, okay, Let's move back out again. So when I brought it out, I think that broke it earlier, right? Let's do that. Invoking closes.md. Closes. You broke it? Yeah, I broke it, man. I don't know what I did wrong. We'll check it out. Okay, I'm gonna add this here for reference. You broke the thing. Yeah, man, everything's gone. What did I break? I don't know what I broke. So this one's fine. This one's doing its thing. It doesn't like the fact that I put this out here, which doesn't make sense. More. Right? So pop out, set it to 0, game interval. Set interval mode of class is toggle mode animation. Mode of style animation duration is that. Oh, do you know what? I know what the problem is. I know what the problem is. It's not selecting the random mo each time because it wasn't in the. But that doesn't make sense. Do you know what I need to do? I think I need to make this separate. That's what solve it. So if I just say let random num, I think that's the problem is random num equals that, right? Mo equals random num that, and then wait. Here, I don't know if it lets me do this mo here or not. It might not because it's already done somewhere else. Oh, maybe it will. Hey, it's going red. Nah, that's not it. I'm still breaking it. The red thing works. Why is it not doing multiple ones now? Okay, console log them all. What's it gonna give me? Okay, I don't know which one that is. I'm just gonna add 1, 2, 3. All right, should not tell me which one's which. Discord. Okay. Yeah, see, it's just giving me 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Why is this giving me 5? That's one of the issues. All right, let's go on Discord. Just gives me 5s, man. Don't make no sense. Hey. What are we doing wrong, man? What did I mess up?
You broke it, man.
Game's
What I
gone.
saw was because I also wasn't paying attention. I think it broke, and then I came back, read the chat, and then I saw you trying to fix something you broke, and you took perfectly working code and you moved it somewhere else, trying to fix something you broke, probably somewhere else again.
Yeah.
That random stuff was never there, and it was working perfectly. That mole equals to mole something something random was never there, and it was working perfectly. And then you
Uh,
decided, nah, let me tackle this thing some more.
uh,
So what I wanted to do is maybe it's gonna help you to step back a bit. So could you try and explain how this work essentially, how the whole thing works?
right now? Okay.
From the top of the file, what's being created, functions being created. How many functions are here, by the way? Can you close the functions? I think you closed the function where?
Closed.
Let's start with the first one, as in like collapse them.
How do I do
If you
that?
hover over the number or next to the number a bit on the right,
Oh, all of them one by one? Oh, crap. That's not it.
yeah, see that collapse thing. Yeah, so that we can see how many functions are there, and then we'll open one if we need to see what's inside it. But essentially, what I want us to try and do is you have to explain what's going on. How does this work?
Okay.
Because yeah, I've been trying to understand, and I think this is gonna help. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
So yeah, if you, so see, we're seeing date functions already. Uh, so start of the thing's gonna create all these bunch of variables.
Yeah.
All set to zero. You're referencing the start button, and you're creating your moles object.
Right. Yeah. And which is
Game
gonna be.
interval,
Hmm.
you're creating a declaring variable, and then the mole CTR. I have no doubt what that is. What's mole
Uh,
CTR? Line 7.
most CTR is more counter. Is it counter
Yeah.
or something CT position something position which is used here?
Hmm. So
Wait,
yeah,
what was that
naming
for?
naming will kill you, man. There's nothing wrong with naming your variable with describing exactly what it does, because already you forgot what mole CTR does.
I don't even know what this
Anyway,
does. Okay, right.
I see there's an event listener for it.
What is this? Yeah, right here. I got an event listener. I don't know what it's doing. Got hit. Oh,
That's
yeah,
dangerous.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the counter. It counts how many times it's been hit. So on click on the mole. Yeah, yeah. I know
Oh
what it is
yeah,
now.
yeah.
I know what it is now.
Cool.
So it's
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Good. So you have your counter, and then the score counter, custom cursor, countdown. Yeah, these are just all the variables, and then you create a random number. Now here's the thing: where are these moles? Wait, where's that? Like the start of it? So when you click start game, what happens? Can you expand start game? Because I believe start game is mapped to the start button, I suppose.
Yes. So start button has an event listener. On click, it starts the start game
So
function.
what does start game do? Expand line 27.
Yeah. So it toggles the hide hammer thing. So when you click
Oh
on it, the
yeah,
ham.
Bert's saying something. If you're not gonna name your variables like efficiently, at least leave a comment to explain what it does.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 100%. Okay. Definitely.
Anyway, back to the start game. Start game
Yeah.
tells the countdown.
Yeah. So it shows the hammer first, right? So if I click on
Oh
start
yeah.
game, the hammer shows up and then it does a countdown, which is 3, 2, 1, which is the countdown right here. And
Okay.
what the
Cool. Cool
countdown
so far.
does.
Now collapse those functions that we've went through, and so that we only focus on where we are.
Okay.
We're acting as the browser right now, and we're executing this code.
Okay. All right. So it goes to countdown, and the countdown has a
Set
set
interval.
interval, which is one every
Timer
second,
is decreasing
right?
if timer is still not zero. And after that, what happens?
Um,
There's another timeout. There's interval in timeout.
right, and it just pushes the time into this DOM element.
Oh, oh yeah, nice.
So it goes 3, 2, 1, go for four
And then
seconds.
what?
So one every second. 3, 2, 1, 4, go, and then it does a pop out function, which makes the moles pop out after go. The moles pop out.
Oh, oh yeah. Now let's go to pop out.
Okay, and the pop
Now
out.
you can collapse that one, and we'll go to pop out function.
Okay, so pop out does this. So this we don't need this one. We can get rid of that. So it initializes the element to 0, which is the score, and
So
then I've
pop
got
outs is what handles the moles jumping up and down randomly.
yes, yeah.
All right.
Um, yeah, maybe I
Game
should name it
interval.
moles pop out. Probably be easy to understand.
Uh, no, don't change it now.
Okay,
Like
okay.
leave
All right,
everything as
all right.
is now, because you're gonna break stuff.
Okay, okay. Pop out. All right. Runs the pop out. He sets it to 0, and then I've
All
got this
right.
thing.
So it's
If game
and game
interval.
interval, I believe, was created at the top, but it's being updated in countdown.
Kind of. It's yeah. It's been
Oh
yeah.
no, I guess wrong. If game interval is not set,
Right.
I'm trying to understand that first statement. If game interval is true, then return. So pop out will never get to do anything.
Yes. So what was happening before was when he clicked on the thing, and he clicked again, the animation would restart, so he wouldn't go fully up and down. Actually, that might have been better. Then I wouldn't have to fix the other problem. There was a problem I was trying to fix with that.
Oh yeah, don't deviate. We're
Okay.
still going
All
through the
right.
code.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Y-
Go back to the thing, and then game interval. So
yeah.
that works.
So if game interval return, otherwise
All
game
right,
interval is a set interval. We're
and
just
then
gonna
console log mole, and mole is created at the top.
right.
That's line 44 that I'm reading,
Yeah.
and then console log mole. Why?
I
Oh, that's the console log mole that you're seeing on your dev tools, which will always log the same mole, and that's because that process is only randomized once, and that is the beginning of your file, and never again.
right, and that's the problem I'm running. That's why it broke. Because before
That's what you broke while trying to fix something else that broke.
yes, yeah, yes. And now I'm trying to fix that. Like I'm
All
trying
right,
to yeah.
cool. So yeah, we'll come back to that later. And then so in this interval, what the interval does is it logs the mole, it toggles the mole animation, and it sets the animation duration. Okay. So
Right,
which is
which
also
is
randomized. So
yeah,
the animation is randomized for this one mole, which is why you keep on seeing one mole.
right.
What I suggest you do is take that code that you took from there and put it back.
Okay, so we need to change this back. This wasn't
What
there.
you want to take is both those lines, random num and mole, as they are,
I mean, it was
because
this
there's
before I
nothing wrong
changed
with
it.
also splitting it out. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay,
Well, you did something that's I'd encourage splitting out these things so for easier readability
all right.
and less lines horizontally. So it's so far good. And
Okay,
post it, and you just deleted something. Although there's no side effects to deleting a console log, I'm
yeah.
sure you just deleted it because you wanted to put that.
Yes. Yeah. Because we don't need that anymore. Because we know what the mole should
Okay,
be. Well,
so we
actually, we
have
should.
random
I don't
num.
know. Let's
We
try.
have a new mole, and our new mole will be received every time set interval. This callback inside set interval is called.
Right. Yeah, which should be
So
every
this
second.
should fix your problem now.
Okay. See.
Now, while that is going on, there's also a set timeout. I was still reading
See.
the.
You know. Okay, that fixed that problem. But I can't do the red because the mole is in. That's why I moved the mole out because the mole was defined only within this. Okay. So yeah.
Yeah,
So what?
of course it is. Where would you want it defined? Were you using it somewhere else?
So I wanted on click. So basically, what I wanted to do, the reason the problem came about is this is where it was when it was all functional, right? What I wanted to
Okay.
do was when it's hit, change the animation on it. I can't access mole here, so that's why I wanted to define it outside, so I can use it
Oh,
everywhere.
wait a minute. That's the mole counter. You want when the mole counter is clicked.
When the mole is
Remember,
clicked,
mole CTR is the mole counter. This is
yeah.
why Bert is saying you should better name your variables, because right now the mole counter is not the mole.
Oh yeah, fuck. What's
Mole
it's the
CTR
game.
is not the mole.
It's this thing. It's the
Exactly.
entire section.
So
Hmm.
so yeah, what you want is okay. What do you want to achieve?
Yeah. Um.
What is it that you want? Again, you want what being clicked? The actual mole. You want the mole to
Yeah.
capture
So
an event, isn't it?
yes. So when it's hit, I
You
want
can
I want that thing to be different.
well, you can just define that event listener within the mole where the mole is where you know the mole is defined, which is
Here.
there you go. So you can just do mole at event listener click, and when the mole is clicked, do whatever you want with it.
All right. I'm just gonna copy
Because
that.
that guy at the top is the mole CTR is the whole section, as you said.
Right. We don't need an if.
Yeah.
Score doesn't need
Now
to go.
remember, you you cleanly copied something that was living somewhere else, and
Yeah.
you need to deal with the comma,
Okay.
line 49.
I need to deal with that. That's a
Remove the
thousand here.
comma on line 49.
That's for this one here. For it's a set.
Hey,
Int.
oh yeah, oh yeah, I see it. All this. Wait a minute. Then something is missing. Then
All right. Let's get
where's the
rid of it.
closing bracket for the event listener? The closing brace.
Event listener. Where's the event
Yeah,
listener?
mole
Add
add
event.
event listener. Click, and then where's the closing
Oh,
brace for it? That's the brackets. Where's the brace? After function e something, there's an open brace, but there's no closing brace. That's a
click.
brackets, not a brace.
Okay.
Just right below that, add a closing brace or a curly bracket. Yeah, yeah. That's why I don't like calling it a curly bracket. I just say brace because there's a rounded bracket, of which in this case we need a curly one. Add an identical brace, not rounded one, just a yeah wiggly one, not rounded.
Wait, but where am I adding it? Why am I closing with that?
Line 49. Sorry, man, it's this 4 second delay
Yeah.
that's messing us up. Line 49,
Okay.
remove the rounded bracket and add a curly one. Wait, why is the oh yeah. See, you were doing it correctly, and because of the delay, I thought you were getting something wrong.
Okay. We're good now, right? There's no red lines, no squiggly lines.
If you save, this thing should also format, and that will
Ah.
show us if it's good or not.
Yeah. It removed it. He got rid of it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Awesome.
Ah,
Let's
hmm.
try.
So, okay, so good so
Just
far. If there's red in the console, yeah.
oh, it's random too. Nice, nice. Okay, we're back. We're back to functioning one. Hey, look at that. Oh, even added the red, bro. Yo. It doesn't remove it. It needs to remove when it gets reset.
Mode is not defined. Yeah, the thing is super funky though.
It's still saying undefined. How do you?
Yeah,
Oh,
I saw that
yeah,
red
yeah,
thingy.
yeah. Right. On 20. What's on 20? Oh, I think I didn't remove this thing. Oh yeah, I didn't remove it from here. That's why.
What? Oh
I
yeah,
didn't.
that one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Ah,
because you moved it downstairs or on. I mean down below.
so, oh, wait a minute. So what captures the score is the whole section.
I'm trying to
But
think now.
that's cheating because you can practically click anywhere and the score will be. Oh, if the target matches a mole image. Oh, I get it now. Oh, it's no problem. That still works. Although you can add that if statement the same place, but then no. I don't know. Anyway, this works. Don't change it. If it's working, don't mess with it. So yeah, that works.
Okay. Now we just need to reset. It needs to reset the
Nope.
red.
I only called to to fix that issue which you brought
Okay,
up
now
on
okay,
fixing
okay,
another issue, and I'm done. I have no idea what everything else, how everything else works. So I'm out.
okay. All right. Thanks, man. Oh man, that's funny. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. What's going on? Um, I've read that comment from Bert already. We're gonna drop. I'm about to land. Look at that. Oh no, I'm gonna miss a barely again. Dude, almost perfect. That's the highest I've ever gotten. 85.42. Hey, what's up, Aurora? Yeah, we got the animation in now. Look at it. It does the thing. I've also got the red. We were talking about adding the red. Well, we just did it. So did you help me? Boom. Oh no, what? It's not doing the red anymore. Hey, there you go. See, it goes red. But I need that to reset every time it pops back out. Oh, look at that. If I hit it again, it goes away. So it does a toggle, it looks like. Wait, let's try that again. Yeah, okay. So right now what it does is every time it's hit, it where is it? Yeah, it does a toggle, right? No, it's not. It does yeah, it toggles the hit. So basically I needed to add the hit and then somewhere after it's done, I needed to remove the god hit. When should it remove? It should remove it. Um when it excuse me, when it reruns. So at the start. Does that make sense as a start here? Use the CSS rotation. Use animation duration to the timeout so that it removes the class. So you don't want me to do this here? Yeah, so it's an animation. Yeah, basically it's a flicks because we're flicking the thing, and there's a rotate 45 degrees. Undo what I did. All right, what did I break? Wait, let's see. Let's see what I broke. All right, 2 seconds. Yeah, that completely broke it. All right. Okay, that should not have happened. That's going away. You moved a line. No, we're back. We're back, man. It's working again. Look, I just needed to remove that mode once the animation goes out. So this thing doesn't do. So we can't do it here. Maybe here, and then I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if this worked or not. Let's see. Server 40 selected with 43. Okay. Oh, I didn't remove it. Didn't remove it. Separate 46 with 43. Okay. Yep, we can do that. I just need to do that right. That'll work. This E here is not doing anything. And he didn't read my comment. Create a new variable like animal. Okay, okay. All right. Wait, come on. Dude, it's too fast. It's too. Just want to see what the red is doing. Come on, man. All right. I'm gonna wait here. I'm just gonna camp. Oh, what? What happened? Why is the? Oh, I know why it went super fast. Cause yeah, okay. Because I need the random number to be times 3. That's gonna slow it down. Discord. First one of the messy baby misread my comment. Hang on. What did I mess up? God, it's still too fast, bro. Okay. What did I mess up, man? I don't think I messed anything up. uh, hey, man, what did I do? It's fucking completely.
Uh, much like all the other tips that I was giving you like long ago, it's the same with this one.
Okay.
When whatever's on the screen or whatever code you're writing does something wrong, just always know that it's your fault and yours entirely.
Okay.
There's this thing that my lecturer used to say when I was doing first year. Ah, fuck. When I remember it, I'll type it out. I'll type it out the comments.
Okay.
Anyway, just use the undo thingy instead of trying to fix by writing what was there. Just undo, and then you'll notice from what I'm seeing now to how different it is from what was there previously. Just
Let's go.
for me, because I'm using Windows, it's Control Z. For you, it's
Yeah.
probably going to be Command or Option or something. I don't know. Now notice this:
Mm-hmm.
animation duration for your mole is way different from random num, which is why I
Yeah.
said you create a specific variable for it. But also see that it's what's this thing? There's that s at the end, a string s at the end. So
Right.
random num
Oh.
and animation duration are different in that aspect. What
Mm-hmm.
I think you should do is you create an animation duration variable.
Yeah.
Nope, not there. Try to keep it as close as possible to where it's gonna be used,
Oh, I can.
and
Okay.
that's yeah, probably like line 45. Yeah, that's the random mole speed, and it's gonna be in seconds, I believe. And then
Yes.
the string part of it you don't remove because you're gonna reuse the random mole speed.
like that.
Yeah, but then the string concatenation, that plus s, move it to line 47 instead of adding it to the random mole speed variable.
Gotcha. Okay. Right. Okay. So I should slow it down.
Yeah. So now we're gonna have random mole speed being some weird number. I think it's in seconds, I believe.
Yes.
And if it's in seconds, then we can reuse it in our timeout. It's going to be the same speed. The animation is going to be the same speed as our timeout. So when the mole goes back down, I believe, or whenever it goes back down, we want to add a timeout that when the timeout reaches, it clears or removes the, what's this thing, the got hits a class. And you want to
Oh.
do that not there. What are you doing? Oh my god, why are you writing random mole in a random place?
Look, I'm doing the timeout speeds instead of 1,000.
But
Instead of a
that
thousand.
timeout is for something else.
Wait, what? That timeout is for the mode to pop up back every second for a random one to come out.
Oh yeah, see that timeout, we're not touching that timeout. The timeout we're working with, the variable you just created, random mole speed,
Right.
is only for the random mole speed, not to be used for I don't know what timeout that is. So
Okay.
no, don't
All right.
don't do that. Uh, and I think yeah, right after line 50, you create the set timeout, similar to what is line 52, but instead of yeah, in line 50. So you're gonna have set timeout function wara wara, and then the the duration for it is gonna be a random mole speed times 1000 because timeout works in milliseconds. Oh, but then there's also
Wait, what?
the
Times a
the
thousand.
times five, the math random. Does it ever produce numbers with decimal places like 5.2, 5 point something? Because if it does
Uh,
that,
oh
we'd
yeah,
want
I
to
need the
round
math
it off.
round. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So yeah, we're only going to use the math round in the timeouts, not there. Random mole speed, I don't think it matters much. You can use yeah, you can use it as that, but you'd want to round off the timeout random mole speed. So it's random mole speed times 1000, and then you round off the results. So
Wait,
math round
hang on, why is it times 1,000
times,
again? Because it's a one every
because
second.
you're converting from seconds to milliseconds.
Okay.
Remember, timeouts works in milliseconds and animation is seconds, which is why I think you're able to use like decimal speed, decimal places. I'm saying speeds now. Decimal places to when animating like 0.2 seconds, something like that.
Okay. I didn't know that. So the code is working, but I didn't know why it was working. Okay. Okay.
So this should give us like something almost indistinguishable in terms of when the animation finishes and when the got hit class is being removed.
So do I need to
And
do a
then yeah,
do?
inside the timeout function, you just want to remove the class. So mole class
Gotcha.
list remove.
Okay.
This theoretically works in my head, and in
Interesting.
saving should probably work for you also.
Let's try it. Oh, red. Where's it gone, man? It's hidden. Looks like it
Shit, there's a
worked.
delay. I don't see it like when you see it. But yeah, it looks like it's working.
But it's not popping back out. Come on, come back out. Yeah, it worked. It worked. It worked.
Yeah,
Amazing.
so
Okay. What
please,
the?
every time something breaks,
Don't
press
delete.
the undo button. Don't try to fix it yourself because
Okay.
you're the one who broke it in the first place.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
wow.
gonna
Wait.
remember this lecturer's phrase, and it's important that you always remind yourself something like that. That basically the computer is as smart as the person who programmed it.
Right. That
Yeah,
is
I think
true.
it's close to that. Yeah, I, I even made examples that a calculator is not the smartest thing, but it's as smart as the person who created it.
Right.
And much like your program, if your program isn't working, well, you're not working because you wrote it.
Which also means apparently why Bo is so dumb. Apparently.
So yeah, this is that was it. So
Okay.
when troubleshooting, don't experiment before finding out where things got wrong in the first place.
Yeah, that's I just like playing with it, see what happens, and then work my way backwards.
You're
I
kind
just
of
delete
working
stuff.
more.
Oh, I remember now. I remember when you first came on the street. Like I think the first day, you're like, "Stop deleting stuff. You just delete stuff." Yeah.
I think this is how Discord came to be. In fact,
Yes.
you
Yes.
kept on deleting stuff you
Yeah.
shouldn't be deleting. Anyway, yeah, I came for that only, and
Okay.
I was supposed to start on my own projects, but yeah, I've been
You've been busy teaching me, man.
babysitting this code because it was gonna break. You're gonna kill this thing,
It's gonna work, man.
and not figuratively, literally, you're gonna make it break.
No, it's
Anyway,
gonna
cheers,
work.
man.
All right. Thank
Yeah.
you. Catch you in a bit. All right. Oh, clicking the wrong button. Um. Okay, I don't even know where we're at now. Okay, red disappears. what's the CSS for spinning stuff? Spin image. I want it to spin like on its way down. Oh, it's just rotations. How to continuously rotate an image. There we go. Keyframes, rotation, rotate. Okay, that works. So rotate animation, rotation 2 seconds, infinite. And the keyframes for rotation is that. 2 seconds might be too. I'm gonna go 0.5 seconds. And then we need to add dot rotate class in here. Mode dot class list dot add rotate, and then we need to remove that in the timeout, right? I think that should work. You could just reuse the Godhead class instead of. That is also true. So what would I do? I would just go animation. Wait, how would I do that? Animation name. Okay. So animation name, I think it's gonna be rotation. And then animation duration. Oh, okay, I could just copy this line actually. That does all of it at the same time. Okay, and then we can get rid of that. You could have one more classes, multiple things. Okay. Right after background, add animation part. Right after background. Yeah, okay. Very cool. That should work then. Hey, look at that. Hey, how cool is that? Boom. Oh, dude, this is sick. Yo, that's cool, man. All right, okay, I'm happy with that. The animation thing. I was thinking of having like spinning things around the head. I think that's too complicated. For now, this is good. Oh, what? I hit it. The hit doesn't register, man. Sometimes it doesn't register. That's annoying. Okay, cool. So we can take that one off the list. Once the mole is hit, different animation. We didn't do that. Whatever, we didn't do that. Flash red, yep, done that. Score counter needs to stop. Um, let's see if that worked or not. I think we need to make that still. So if I keep hitting it, yeah, you see how I can hit the same thing again and again. Although it's not working the second time. 5, 6. Wait, wait. What is it? Yeah, okay. That's we need to stop that. Once it's hit, it can only count once, right? Um, Score counter needs to stop. Okay, the score counter is being added. Where is it being added? Mm-hmm. It's been added here. Mole counter. Add click on function. If if it's a mole image, so anywhere here, if it's a mole image, score plus plus, score counter. I think we need to do another rule here. I think basically I'm thinking if score is 1 or score is not equal to 1, then score plus plus. Otherwise, do nothing. I think that should work, but I don't know. Let's try. If score, yeah. So it can either be 0. Add this to if I'll user select none. Okay, all right. What does that do? Oh, that's for the console fix. User select none. Oh, it might be this cursor thing, huh? Before the thing, I don't know. Okay, we fixed the multiple hits problem, but I don't know what fixed it. Did your code fix it, or was that my JS fixed it? It prevents you from selecting game multiple times. Okay, I broke something. So my JS is broken because it has to be. I mean, if it's not 1, it should be score plus plus. It prevents you from highlighting. Wait, what did I break? If pretty sure that's the thing that's breaking it right now. Okay, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Dude, what? Wait, that alone fixed it? No, 3. No, it's not. Okay. All right. So this code was kind of working, but the logic in it is broken. Because right now, if it's actually right now, because it's Discord. Hang on. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't even count at all now. I need to rethink that logic, but let's hop on Discord. Hey man, what's going on? What am I messing up now?
Okay, with this one, I think we, because I remember thinking about this moments ago. I think we were doing something else. That we were going through the whole file to understand how everything works,
Right.
and we came across small CTR where things were here that were not
Mm-hmm.
supposed to be here. And I mentioned a bit that you can even move this code to the actual mole. And then I said, nah, because there's no reason at that point in time, we can keep it there. Now, we've come so far and it's giving us problems already. So instead of listening for clicks from the whole section, the whole mole CTR, just make the mole add the score on its own. What you can do is, yeah, you can essentially delete all that code and copy those 2 lines.
Yeah. Okay.
And then when the mole is clicked, it adds a class. See that class, that got hits class.
Yeah.
And that, right after adding that class, that's where you can also update your score.
Right.
After
Yeah.
updating your score, no, it's actually before you update your score, you should add an if statement. Right, what is this place? Where do you add an if statement? No, you're not checking for score. You're checking for your mole. If my mole has a class called got hit,
Ooh, that's
if it
clever.
does, just return
Yes.
so that anything after is not executed.
Oh man, that's so clever. Yes, yes, yes. That's a much better implementation than I was looking
But
like a
then
score.
But
Yeah.
then our check has to be before the class list add, or else we'll never update our score.
Okay. I hope it's fast enough to do the score and add the stuff. All right. If how do you do something contains something class contains. Let me
Probably
check.
mole class list. What happens if you do mole dot class list dot and then you wait? Right from your VS Code. See, there's probably enough intelligence from VS Code as it is. I think just
Oh yeah,
do
yeah,
mole
you're
dot
right.
class list dot and then you wait. This contains, yes.
If it
If it
does
but then if it contains this class, you don't want to do that. So what you can do is negates the whole expression by exactly. Hey man,
how's that?
you're good at this. And
it's, it's your teachings, man. Like these are it's the
you essentially done. This is supposed to work. So
okay. All right.
if a class exists, it's not gonna update the score, and line 55 has no effect either way
Hey,
when godheads is already
yo,
added to it.
it's
Okay,
working.
so yeah,
Yeah, it's working. Nice. Oh
yeah.
man, amazing.
I'll try to keep these interventions at a minimum though, because I'm not sure how effective they are in terms of you learning. learning in the meantime.
Okay. All right. Nah, I
Yeah.
appreciate the help, man.
Cheers,
Um,
man.
all right. Thanks. All right. That's one more ticked off. So counter needs to stop. We can tick that off. This can be ticked off. Look at that. We are making crazy headway today. Um. Okay. How are we gonna do round based game? How are we gonna do round based game? Blazing through it. Yeah. With lots of intervention, but yes. Let's stand up for a bit, man. All right, let's do this. Let's just check. Ooh, I've dropped something. Okay, back. I've forgotten the music. Also, I don't know if you guys listen to hip hop or not. So my brothers makes beats, and I told him, "Bro, can you please put your beats on here?" Because the Harry Seller thing it's just so bad. So he's put his stuff on there now. It only had 5 songs before, but now he's got another album on today. If you guys want to check it out, just a shameless plug. But yeah, that's what we're gonna listen to today. Also, if you guys into hip hop and whatnot, check out his artist page as well. If you search Elijah Mello, this guy right here, that's his page. I don't know, up to you if you want to check out or not, but I want to say he's got some good music, man. All right, so let's crack on with the project. What's next? Round-based game. I think that's gonna be harder to tackle. I'm actually gonna go for. We wanna sound when it's hit. Yeah, let's do that first. I think that's easier to solve. So we need some. Let's get out of Discord, right? Okay. Free stock sounds. Oh, sounds. What's it called? Yeah, sounds. I guess sound effects. Freesound.org. Here we go. What is this? Rolling bubble. Hallelujah. Search. Hit. Snare hit. Hitting in the face. That just sounds hilarious. Okay, we don't do that. Triangle hit. Cinematic hit. What is this? Oh, that's horrible. That is horrible. Sword clang. Hey, that could be cool actually. Ching. Oh, yes, let's open that up in a new tab. Oh, I can play it right here. I'm actually gonna pause the music because it's slightly distracting. I can't hear the sound effects. Okay. Punch. What does punch give me? This one might be alright. Ooh, it's a bit loud. I like that. That's cool. Let's go with this one. How do we download Punch 2? Actually, we need a funny sound. That's not quite funny yet. It's a bit. This one or a hammer hit. Search for a whack. Whack. Yeah, that's a good. That's a good one. What's going on, Joe? Hey, what's up, Omar? Car hood. Sledgehammer triple hit. Oh, 3 times though. That's rough. That actually sounds. Is there anything like? Can it? Can it? Well, let's listen to. You said whack, right? Water whack. Ooh. It sounds like it's been slapped. Oh, that's funny. With Audacity. Okay, I don't have Audacity. I can download it. Ooh. Wait, what was the other one you said? How hammer hit. What if I just type it out? Just some, or maybe we can just make it go shout like. Oh, that'd be cool.
Ouch.
Oh, this is sick. Here you go. We got a hit and a shout. That's sick. All right, amazing. All right, that's the one we're gonna use. That sounds funny. I need to log into download. Please tell me it's free. Download it 626 times. Is sound illegal? Oh, whatever. All right, download. Whatever. We'll log in. I need to create an account. Register. All right, whatever. 2 seconds. let me register. Um, that's so funny. He's gonna hit and it's gonna scream ouch. Oh man, I can't wait. Create account. Boom, boom, boom. We sent you an email. All right, 2 seconds, guys. We're almost there. I need to learn how to load sound. It must be easy to load sound, right? Let's see. In order to activate, go here. Activation succeeded. Should not be good. Wait, where's it gone? The one we wanted. This one? Oh, there you go. All right, log in. All right, we got the sound. So sound now needs to be. Can we use a WAV file in CSS? Let's see, CSS, add sound, playing sounds with CSS. There you go. Audio is the one, okay. Source path.mp3. Play sound, huh? JavaScript play sound. Data. Okay, that's not very clear. Okay, but first of all, though, let's move the thing in here. So we are on whack-a-mole. Okay. This one. Okay, but I was working on some videos for guys, man. It's pretty sick. We're doing some animation using Canva. That's why I've been busy, man. Some client projects. Yeah, let's change the name to Got Hit Sound. All right. You can use. I need to leave early today. Have a nice show. Okay, thanks, man. Thanks for sticking around. Catch you later. You can use WAV, but I suggest you convert to OGG Vorbis, which is OGG Vorbis. What is that? Which is lower in size 10 times. Okay. All right. Oh, I can actually download the WAV too. No, that's not. That's the other one. Like an MP3 but free. Okay, interesting. And good compression. Okay, interesting. Onlineconverter.com. Wait, is the file we have WAV? I don't think it's WAV. Let's see. It's it is WAV. You're right. Nice, awesome. Thank you. Let's go ahead and use that upload file. Choose file. Okay, let's choose it. No file chosen. Okay. Convert. Download now. Go ahead sound.ogg. All right, let's move it. What we need is go ahead sound. All right. All right. So, how do we actually add sound? The view inserting audio files as a hidden object within the web page and then displaying it whenever an action happens. So, style, embed, display none, button active plus embed. And to play it, document.get element by ID, my audio.play. Ooh. So I would have to add it on the page first, right? Object. So okay, so if I want to do dot play, what do I need to do before that? Media. How do I add a media element first? Is the question. Play video. Media HTML tag. Boom, 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 boom. All right, that's how we do it. Oh, it's just an audio. That's it. Okay, that's easy. We can do that. We can do that. Awesome. Thanks for the link, man. Just gonna go right next to the hammer because audio. Oh, because I type SCR. Nope, that's not how I do it. Yeah, source equals that, and then type equals audio OGG, no? Oh, source is in a different one. Okay, okay. Right. I see it. Source src equals. Oh, there you go. That works. Audio source. Yep. Yeah, I went through it too fast. And then to play, so we need to add an ID to this. Audio ID equals got hit audio. We use it. Okay. And we're gonna go to JS. Dot play, right? That's what we're doing. Now with your audio ID dot play. Audio ID is that, right? Cool. On play or just play? Why we got on play? Play. No, on play. Right, yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's test it. Let's see. Let's see if it makes that noise. Alright, I want it. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. What? To make the noise, man. It's doing the red thing. The red thing is being done. The red thing is being done here. Dot play. I mean, this is right? Got hit.org. Let's see. Oh, got hit sound. That was the problem. I had the wrong link. Okay. Oh man, that's funny. Come on. I never used that. It works. That's it's a bit delayed. All right, sick. That's sick. Okay, cool, man. Thanks for the assist on that one. I now know how to add audio and how to make it play. It's actually true. You learn more by doing projects than doing one of those weird things. There's a problem in my code, is there? What's the problem? Hmm? It will continue to rotate until show new more. Yeah. That's fine. So when he gets hit, yeah, I want it to rotate. Oh, oh, look at that. So okay, I see what you mean now. So we can't have the mole pop up at the same position again. So what we have is a random mole is selected here. Mole equals this, and got mole animation. If mole class list contains got hit, score plus plus, and then actually no, it's before that. It's before the toggle animation. I need to say basically it needs to somehow store that that mole hasn't come in before, right? Uh, it is an ignorable bug. I want to fix it though. Okay, so if I do console.log moles, well, console.log the mole here. Okay, mole 2, mole 1, mole 3, mole 1, 2, 5, 3, 5, 1, 6. Well, actually, there's an even bigger problem here. Is that so 2, 3, 5, and then yeah, you see 2, 2. We shouldn't be doing that one. And then it should also not pop out until the animation is complete. Yeah, whatever. I think that's a small bug. We'll worry about that one later. Have a nice day. All right, man. Thanks. Probably see you tomorrow. Oh, there's another bug too. If the sound hasn't completed, it doesn't give any sound. See, if I have two of them consecutively, so boom. See, yeah, it doesn't do that. Why does it not do that? Don't forget the git commit when you complete. So I'll send you a git pull. Okay. What for? Which code? The fix for this code? This one. Okay. Okay, we have $2, guys. We got $2 now. The sound. So one is got hit sound doesn't play. If the first hit So it hasn't fully. That's a very bad explanation, but it hasn't fully played out. I will send a fix with a good pull request when you accept it and merge it to code. Be fixed by my commits. Now bye. Have a nice day. All right, man. Appreciate that. Catch you later. Okay, so that's one bug. The second bug is actually, I think if you just fix that, should be fine. The second bug is more come from same position as whatever. I'm not too worried about that one. Okay, so we got a sound for the hit, right? Almost done. Generic background music. Should we add that in? Be rich and open a company in there and hire me. All right, man. Soon, we'll do. Generic background, man. Oh, do you know what would also be cool is like round 1, round 2, round 3. cheerful music. All right, let's see. All right, is this copyrighted? Because I can't play on the stream otherwise. Hopefully not. Yeah. Let's hit some more. Cheerful music, man, and we're hitting some more. Let's see. Ow. All right, that worked. Okay, I like that. Let's just use that one. Oh, I gotta sign up to download again, man. It's making you sign up everywhere now. Whatever. It suits the game. It does suit the game. Dude, I gotta pay for this, man. Look at that. I gotta pay for it, bro. I'm not paying for that. It does suit it, but I need to pay. No, it's free. But it's telling me I need to pay. So when I go to download, sign up to download, right? And it says, gives me this. Man, you can if you want to leave, bro. Like I know it's quite late for you. We can always continue that tomorrow. I can wait for the music tomorrow. It's not really a urgent thing. Countdown. Dun, 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 dun. I think these are easy problems to solve. The problem that I'm really kind of procrastinating on is the local storage. Um, I think this one's actually done. We've done this one. Rounds. I don't know how to do the rounds. Rounds would be interesting too. All right. Okay. Who else is in the chat? Bert, are you still here, man? I haven't spoken to you in. I feel like I haven't spoken to you in forever. Got Big Cortona, Abbott, Costello. What's going on? See, Bo's still here. Bing Cortana. I don't even know how to pronounce that. FTO payer. Go with him. Ice Wizards, what's going on? Joint effort. 0.520, welcome back. Prank share. And we got Winwood. What's going on, y'all? What is going on? Ooh, that's close. Oh, Omar, if you're still here, man, I might have to take a quick half an hour break just go grab something to eat. And then we'll come back. How long has it been? It's a 3 hour stream already. We got a lot done in the last 3 hours, though, for sure. Is Suduto still here or is he left? Stu is still here. I see you. You're still here. All right. Have a nice day. I'll be back. I want to finish this more. I'll be back. All right. I'm going to go grab something to eat, but I'll be back in like half an hour if you guys are still up. What time is it in Turkey? Turkey is like 2:44, right? What about South Africa? You're more to the left of me. You're more west of me, right? So it shouldn't be as late in the morning. Oh no, you're out 2 hours ahead of me. What? I thought it'd be like, oh man, how are you guys still up? So I don't expect you guys to be up in half an hour. So yeah, I see 3:44. But yeah, I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick, come back, and then we'll tackle this beast. Local storage. This one is good to have, so I'm not really worried. But it would also be good to have round based game. Goes faster every round. Now that is gonna be a beast because my code currently only does one speed. So I'd have to put. I think I'd have to count how many times the start button's clicked, or put I don't know somehow count like what round it is, and every time it's round, we're gonna multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Tomorrow, I had an Israeli friend here. Tomorrow's leaving, nice. But it's the weekend. I'm pretty much working throughout. I need to know what your app is, man. I need to know your thing, your side hustle, your side project. I mean, I'll have him resupply and then I'll be free until tomorrow night. But all right, man, sounds good. Cool. Yeah, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I'm gonna go grab a quick bite to eat. So, be right back. Raid again. I want to come back to this channel though. Who should we? We'll raid the other time. Raid a random stream. All right. Okay. All right. If you want to raid, sure, we'll raid. We'll raid. I like a cooking stream or something. Cooking. Let's go. Who's cooking right now? Fire Kitchen. Hungry. Not gonna respond. Ariana Chan. Cooking Simulator. Cooking Simulator? Why is it Cooking Simulator? Cooking for Noobs? Okay, Fire Kitchen is the only one live. 75 viewers. It's important. Rating is important. Cooking Simulator is a game. Ah. Wait, this doesn't look. This looks like a pre-recorded video. 24/7. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into that, man. That's like watching a YouTube video. Hungry. 0 viewers. Wait, that's a video. Nobody cooking, man. Yo, abs, what's going on? Now I'm gonna go grab a quick munch to eat. Gonna go grab a quick bite to eat. I'll be back in half an hour. But while you're here, though, check this game out. I don't know if you've seen the game so far. I don't know how long you've been in the stream. But here's what we built, man. Where's my game? I thought you just wanted. All right, abs, you ready, man? This is the game. So you click on start. We got hammer now, right? And boom. When you hit it, it makes that sound effect. And it spins around. That's what we got. We have a couple of bugs though, so we need to fix that. But we're making progress. Push to GitHub so you can hack it. That's sick. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But man, like 80% is from the chat. Everyone's been helping me out. That's my secret weapon. Then you'll ask me like, how did you code this? I don't know, man. It's the chat. Push to get up. How do I push to get up? Terminal. All right. CD documents. CD PT codes. No need for terminal. Oh, I can do it from here. How? Teach me. Teach me. Extended step. Okay. All right. All right. We'll rate him. Rate him. Just code one more time. All right. Um. Hey, hey.
Yeah.
What am I missing?
Bar. See that blue five?
Blue file?
Five, the number
Oh.
with the blue
Oh yeah.
background.
What's this?
Oh yeah. I think Omar is correct with this one. Eventually, you have to like get used to the terminal.
Right.
So Omar, to explain myself, I just want to make sure that everything is pushed and that nothing is left behind. But it's essentially cheating using this side of VS Code. You should be using the terminal. Almost correct. So
Okay.
yeah, this essentially is something you'll be using later on, but it simplifies saving your files and pushing them to GitHub.
Right.
So stages, if you have a over one with the three icons also. So this five essentially shows you the files that have changed from your GitHub repository.
Okay.
And
So
you can write in a message to commit with. And with that message, you can do Command Enter or Control Enter on Windows. So with you, it's probably going to be either Command Enter, Options Enter. I've never used a Mac before.
Hello, guys.
hello, hello.
How's
What's
it?
going on,
How's it?
man?
Good, good. I suggest
Let
you
him
install.
cheat for now. I want to hack the game.
Okay. I will just say one thing, then leaving. Just suggest him to install GitLens, a really good extension.
GitLabs. Okay.
GitLens.
All right.
GitLens. Yeah,
What?
it's really good. I suggest you. Extension.
All right. I'm gonna add it to the. I'll do it after I eat. But okay, GitLabs extension.
GitLens. In the VS Code I'm talking. Just click.
Check
Yeah,
the
yeah.
chat,
Yeah.
man.
GitLab.
He wrote it in the chat.
Well, he's already written, no?
Yeah,
GitLab.
just open the
Oh, lens.
VS Code.
Okay, you
Open
want to do it
VS
right?
Code.
I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, okay. All right,
HA
man.
Labs.
I don't know. I
Open
thought
the-
you said labs.
Not
Get
that,
lens.
the last one.
Nah.
The last, yeah, that one. GitLens.
This one.
Yeah, install that one.
Yeah. Okay.
You will love it. You will
What
love
is?
it.
Okay. Can't wait. I
Wait,
don't even know what it
Omar,
does.
why do
Yes,
you say
brother.
you should use terminal and then I say VS Code and then you're adding more extensions?
Never. Let me rephrase why I suggest this one. First of all, I suggest learning how it's done from console. Yes, that's the correct way. But when you are using VS Code, at least use the correct, good extension.
Oh yeah, if you're gonna use VS Code, go all in.
All right. So what do you want me to do? This one here?
Then
Yeah.
I'm leaving Sudo for you to explain what have you done from that IDE.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
I
gonna
need
be
to.
beautiful.
So I need to
You
set
just
up
make-
first, though.
Yeah, first we need to make setup, but I'm leaving Sudo to explain you everything, okay? Because
Alright.
I need to leave now.
All right.
Thank
Sounds
you.
good. Thanks, man.
Cheers, man.
Bye.
Sorry, I take your time, both of you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
All right, later, man. Bye. So wait, what
I
we
love you
do?
guys. Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Cheers,
All right,
man.
man.
Cheers.
Have a safe drive. All right,
Ah,
man. This sounds like more
Git lens,
work.
Git lens.
Can we do this later? Like, can we just
Okay,
push
we'll
this
take it.
so I can go
We'll
eat?
take it later. Note it somewhere. You've noted it on Notion.
Yeah.
Good. Go back to our 5 files.
Yep.
That's what the hell, man. Like a better message would do. Like essentially, you have to commit with a message explaining what changed,
Whoa,
and
what's
then just
this?
do control.
What the
Is
hell
it
is that?
control enter? I think it's command enter for you. I don't know.
What's this? I don't know what that is. All right.
Why? 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 No. What are you doing?
I don't know what happened. It's like I didn't
Oh,
touch anything.
that's a div view. What's on the left is what was there. What's on the right is what changed. The new things that you added.
Ah, okay.
So you can see that previously the old commits had like where you are, the from line 567 on the left hand side there was like start button, add event, click, start game, and all that. But on the right hand side, the newest changes now is that probably moved somewhere else, which is now I think
Right.
in line 14, 15. Yeah,
Okay.
it's essentially that. It's all part
Gotcha.
of Git, and I
Gotcha.
feel like this is more confusing than it would have been if
We use terminal.
if you started with the terminal, like the hard way. So I'm
All
not
right.
sure what you changed now. Hopefully you didn't change anything. Just
Mm,
save your app.js. Make sure everything that's supposed to be there is there, and you didn't
okay.
add like weird characters. That's by the way,
So
if there's still a left and a right hand side that are shown like this, that's not the actual file. That's just the changes. You have to go to the actual file for checking out the
oh,
changes.
okay. So in here.
Yeah, yeah. The
All right.
working tree is just the diff.
Okay. Let me close
I don't
that.
know what they call it in like better terms.
Okay.
And go back to that five the Git extension thingy.
Yep.
.ds store is not supposed to be staged or watched by Git. So can you right click and add to Git ignore? I think you can right click from it. Oh shit, you
Yep.
don't have right click with the
Yeah, I did. I
with
did. I
Mac,
did.
do you?
It's gone. Oh, what the hell? It said get ignore. It changed the name,
Yeah,
dude. That's fine.
yeah, that's
Okay.
good. And done. So that's in changes now because we added a new entry to Git ignore. Yeah, I do remember that file is not supposed to be watched by Git. So
Okay.
now you can just commit by doing
This
command
button.
enter. Is it command enter or control options enter for you?
It's saying there are no stage changes to commit. Would you like to stage the changes directly? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. It's
Yeah.
doing something. It's doing something, bro. I don't know what it's doing.
Yeah. And look at the bottom bar of your VS Code, that blue bar. I don't know what they call it, by the way. I should find out its name. If you start looking from the left of it, it's going to be main,
Oh,
the name of the branch that you're in.
right. Push.
The far left, it's main, the name of the branch that you're in. After that is a refresh icon with the 0 down and 3 up. That
Yeah.
means, are you clicking stuff again?
Okay.
Uh, that means you have no changes upstream that you need to pull down, but you have 3 changes locally that you can push up, and you just click that and it does a git push for you. It
Okay.
does a
So
git fetch, pull, push. It just syncs stuff
okay.
from remote to your local stuff,
So I just clicked it. It's
and voila,
ah nice. Periodically
save
run git
yourself.
fetch. Nope, not now. Cool, man. But do you have a link to this one? I need to send you a link. Probably have it. Oh, that's another
Yeah,
thing I
I,
added
I
too.
I I do have it now. I think I have it. I saw it somewhere on Discord.
Awesome. Well, my GitHub is on the link now on that too. So,
Yeah, and yeah, that's it, man. Go eat or something. I don't know.
all right, we'll catch you in a bit. Oh man, there was gonna be 9 people rating. Now it's only 5 people. People
Yeah,
join.
people started leaving, but then obviously you also closing the stream.
Yeah.
No need for a raid anymore. I'm also gonna try sort something out this side. I'm trying to. I have an open source Android project
Okay.
that has been alive for like 2 years now, I think, and the project forked from it. So when I make changes, I keep on affecting other people, and other
Yeah.
people like these other projects, and I don't want to be affecting these other projects. So I'm trying to like rewrite it in a way that I can make changes without affecting other people, and that means a lot of work. Right now, tests are not working, so I have to figure
Okay.
out why tests are not working in my own project. I last wrote code, I think, 3-4 months ago,
Oh wow. Okay. Cool, man.
and
Good luck.
this is the one I got. Check the chat. This is the project that is created from my project. Yeah,
A clean Android launcher. User phone. Don't let it use you. Wait. I need to
Where do you-
download.
where do you leave Discord? I don't think you. If you're using Apple, no, you can't.
Nah. Yeah, I'm on Apple.
Yeah,
That
Apple
sucks.
does not do what are these things? Apple does not do what are these things? Skin changes and stuff like that. I think you can go as far as changing app icons, but nothing more than that.
Yeah. You can hack it now
Anyway,
with the shortcuts. But yeah. Anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna agree. Good luck with that, and I'll probably hopefully see you around in half an hour.
cheers, man.
All right, we're gonna raid. There's no cooking show, man, so we gotta raid. Extended. There's only 3 people, but hey, 3 people is better than none. 4, 5. Oh, there's more. Nice, nice. All right, guys. Catch you all in a bit.